Zimdanzo. Kwakabva Zimdanzo. Kwakadai zita rekuti Zimdanzo parakatangira mozanya iyi guys yagara chindinetsa. Ndakamboita maresearch akawanda kuti konde nakatanga nezita rekuti Zimdanzo. Rakabva kupi zita iri Zimdanzo. Hello guys, ndisatapinda munyango guys, ndakutenda vese vakasubscribe nevari kusupporta this channel. Chiti thank you guys. Rambai makatsika ichocho. Rambai makatsika mafuta. Uyezve ndichiti kune sasata ndivasubscribe this channel. Guys, hapana chekumira channel inotosparka. Inongona munhu ayangosparka. Yeah. Subscribe, click your notification bell kuti pega pano-uploada latest video guys. Ndokutaurira yamudarikirwi nezvinhu zvinodi zvadechiuya nazvo panapa. Nyaya ndainayo panapa inyaya yagara chinetsa. Yaindinetsa. Inogona ichi yatonetsawo vanhu vakawanda. Kuti zita rekuti Zimdanzo rakatanga sei? Ndiani akatanga naro? Rakatanga gore ripi? Saka ndonyaya yandazoya nayo panapa. Ndava neinformation yakadi yakakwana nema-V11 zvese. Saka ndati ndichifamba mumastreet ndobva ndasangana nepost yaWinky D vachibvunzwa nomumwe anonzi Trevor. Iyi yaiva interview. Ndobva nyanzo-explaina zvese pazvikatangira. Saka ndichakuisira kavidhiyo kandauya nako panapa kuti munyatsokuzvinzwira guys. Kuti handisi kungotaura zvemusoro wangu. Saka ndoda kuisira kavidhiyo. Then mozotaura maonero. Ndochandakuya nacho guys. Chisi kunosasata subscribe. Achitoda kupedza nguva. Click your notification bell, subscribe. Then click your notification bell. Kuti pano-uploada latest video hamudarikirwi. Saka muchiona kavidhiyo kaWinky achi-explaina pakatangira Zimdanzo neakapa zita rekuti Zimdanzo. Thank you guys. Enjoy.
What do you think are the origins of Zimdancehall? Where would you pinpoint and say these are the origins? A lot of people consider you to be the pioneer for Zimdancehall.
Well, I would say maybe I took it from another level and I had to take it to a higher level. But when we look at dancehall, when it started really, the Zimdancehall, I think I'll backdate it to around 2001, somewhere there, the term Zimdancehall. Yeah. But before that, people were doing that. We have the likes of Yappy Bantan. They were doing what they were doing today. We have the likes of Mogoman. They did tricks in the 90s, right? But they had no name, a specific name to give it. They would just call it dancehall as it is called in Jamaica. Mm-hmm. So with the new blood now, referring to ourselves at the beginning of the millennia, we say to ourselves, all right, actually I got a call from Jusa. We were in 2003, somewhere there. And he said, yo, this music that we are creating, I think we need to give it a name. Jusa is based in the UK, right? And I was here in Zimbabwe. So him being based in the UK, he was exposed. He had exposure then. Then he realized, oh, we can't continue moving this Jamaican path. We have to have our own identity from whatever it is these Jamaicans are doing. Yes, we are going to take certain things from their vibe, but let's create our own from what they have already. And I said, here in Zimbabwe, it's Tomati Mangoma.
Right.
And they said, but I was thinking of the term Zimdancehall. And it was Jusa, and I think there was Sluggy Youth from Three Wise Men. So from that point, I don't know, I'm not aware of the discussions that they had from that end. But the next thing I saw was a website, zimdancehall.com. I think we were 2004 somewhere there, right? Whereby he was just uploading the dancehall which was created here in Zimbabwe and putting it on his website, right? And from there, I think in 2007, they hosted what they called the Zimdancehall Awards. And the first Zimbabwean locally based to have that award was King Labash with his song Kukonzeresa. And I got the award in 2008 with the track Rocation. So to put a mark and say, all right, this is where it started, where it was named Zimdancehall officially, I think all eyes should just lead to the, what do we call this? The website. Yeah, because the website, I think it was around 2005, 2006. I'm not really sure about the years there. But as for me, for if we want to look at facts, I think those are the facts that can lead us to where the name Zimdancehall came from. That's the only thing that is tangible. Everything else is he say and she say and so yeah, for me, I'll put it there.